I am wigless.
I know for a fact that you don't want to see what my hair looks like underneath this. Edge brush, wig caps, and a comb. I kind of like this one. I got a 360. I'm not sure why, because I've never gotten a 360 before. And what is this? Hold up. I don't remember if is this supposed to be body wave or what's that other one called? I guess it's not body wave because body wave is not this textured. It's nowhere in here, so you know, that's that. Comes with a band inside. I put my makeup right here on purpose, and I know there's no makeup under this cap, so let's see. Oh yes, you see that line of demarcation? And I did that on purpose, by the way, so don't make fun of me.
Honey, it's only awkward for you, not for me.
No, I'm trying to figure out how people do this. Oh, but I was looking for a wig that was like not as dark, because the last wig that I ordered, it was like the lace is too dark and I don't know how to lighten that. And I looked up a video on how to lighten it, and people were saying that it made all their hair come out the wig, and I'm not trying to waste money like that. I ain't got money to burn. So yeah, we'll see. You know, it smells weird, but so this is what it looks like. I think I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna pluck right now. Ooh, so I know people do this like cool thing where they put the glue on first with that, and then they don't cut the lace, and then they put it on top of their head, and then they cut it while it's on their head. Huh? So what I like to do is cut the lace before I put it on. I'm not gonna cut like the hair or anything. I'm just gonna make sure I go and cut all the extra lace off first, and then, you know, if I want to go back in and change up the hairline, I will do that. So yeah, I'm gonna just cut the extra lace off, really. Yeah, just cutting the parts that I know for a fact is not gonna be on my head because there's no hair on it. Not perfect, like straight across, because then it'll look wiggy. You can't see what I'm doing, but I'm, you know, trying to explain. I wish I had some smaller scissors. I used to have some, but I don't know where they are. These scissors are kind of whack, I'm not gonna lie. You know when you watch people's videos, you know, they're putting the wig on and everything, like super confident.
Yeah, like I look good, like lace wear.
Ooh, stiff what? Stiff what?
For real, stiff what?
Oh, no what?
Stiff what? But sometimes I'm just like, it's right there. Like I'm looking right at it. You know, like there was no melt. I could see the whole lace, like, and nobody said anything. If it looks bad, I'd like someone to tell me, you know, all two of you. I don't want to be out here looking dumb. I'm gonna put some powder on the inside. Ah, this is one of these wigs that don't have sideburns. Great. At least not on my head. This definitely wouldn't need to be plucked. Look, it's not glued down or anything, but don't make fun of my mirror. The batteries are missing. I don't know what these things are. What is this supposed to be, baby hairs? Let me see. I think I'm gonna get my hot comb ready. What you think? So I'm gonna start with one half and then I'll do the other half. I don't like the thought of covering my whole forehead so much, even though I got some acres on there, but we don't have to talk about that. I just, you know, I don't want to like have my wig off one day and be like, dang, you know what I'm saying?
I didn't even know she had all that.
Anyway, I'm using my Ghost Bond, and If it comes out, that'd be great. Okay, now I'm just gonna keep it in place but lift it halfway and hold my fingers so that it like doesn't move, you know? Too much. I don't like to put too much glue on there though. I think, you know, when I first started buying Ghost Bond, I think I looked up the directions and it was like, is it like 5 layers of glue? Are you kidding? Are you kidding me? 5 layers of glue? That thing ain't coming off. And if it do come off, it's taking your edges with it. Even though I wear wigs, I'm still natural underneath. So when I wear my natural hair, it exposes my forehead too. And I like to, you know, sometimes brush my edges down to cover it. But if there's no edges to cover it, you know, just Jimmy Neutron, basically. If I do put another layer on, it's like after I do this layer, I put it down and then I go back and see what I missed. That's the only time I'm putting another layer on here. That's just me though. You know, people just don't understand the cost. Like how much time really goes into it to look good. And when I say people, I mean guys normally, typically. It's crazy. I'm too impatient for this stuff. Great. Now it's gonna have my arm hair pulled. Don't mess up. No, I don't like this. I didn't get the glue underneath where it's supposed to be because I'm so used to having ear tabs. Ugh, I don't feel like doing this no more. I wish I could be like one of them celebrities that always got hairstylists. Can't relate. I feel like my finger's about to cramp up. The density seems different than the hair I'm used to, I'm not gonna lie. If only this thing has some ear tabs. Now, I don't know if it's just this one and like others have it or my head size or whatever, but that's the only thing I'd say so far that I don't like. I know I can cut some hairs, I guess gel it right there, but and it doesn't, oh, I did not mean to put it there. See, this is what I'm talking about. I really don't get the gas. Some people be hyping me up for no reason. Why am I so messy with it? No, there's hair right here. Dang, what did I do? My arm's getting tired. Alexa, what time is it? It's 7:08 p.m. Should I lay it now? Yeah, I ain't got time to be waiting on this. Ease your way into it. That was probably a bad idea. I should have waited until it was clear, but now it's too late. Please turn clear, because this looks crazy. Am I dumb? Why would I put it so... My hands is dirty, son. This lace can use some bleaching, but hey, this is just straight out of the box. Straight out of the box, not bleached, not plucked. I'm about to make some edges though. Wow. I just imagine if I dropped this on my leg just now, I'd probably cry. I'm about to use a spray on my edges. And let's see how it works. Oh, hold up. This could be cut small. What the heck is this? My edges aren't this long. Whatever. the heck? Ooh, that seem to be plucked and bleached. I'm probably, most likely, definitely gonna pluck this, probably, tomorrow. I'm gonna just add a little bit of this powder right here to, try to do something, even though not much.